The second province in Mimaropa is the Occidental Mindoro, means Western Mindoro. This is referring to the province in the western side of Mindoro Island in the Philippines. The name Mindoro itself is derived from the Spanish priest o the Mena de Oro pa rin, meaning a gold mine. Due to the major gold discoveries wherever made, the province is known for its rich marine life, the beautiful beach and rugged terrain, and is the home of the indigenous Mangyan people. The capital of Occidental Mindoro is the Mamburao. It is a municipality located on the island of Mindoro in the Philippines and serves as the administrative center for the province. We have 9 tourist attractions in Occidental Mindoro. The first is the famous one and beautiful tourist attraction. This is the Apo Reef Natural Park. It is a protected marine area in the Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, known for being the largest atoll-like reef in the Philippines, and the second largest is the contiguous coral reef in the world. It is a popular destination for diving and snorkeling due to its diverse marine life, including the various species of fish, marine mammals, and invertebrates, and also the sanctuary for birds. The park composed of 3 islands in a large submerged platform about the 34 square kilometer. The second one is the Iglet Baco National Park pa rin. It is a legislative protected area in the central mountains of Mindoro, established noong 1970 and managed by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. It is known as a critical habitat for the endangered tamaraw, a wild rock buffalo endemic to the island, and it is a home diverse flora and fauna, including the evergreen forest, grasslands, and endemic bird species. The park is currently closed to the public while the ecotourism management plan is being developed. The third one is the Agbalala Falls. It is a scenic waterfall in Abra de Olog, Occidental Mindoro, known as 115-foot height and the deep pool, pinaka-deep pool na sa Occidental Mindoro. It is a popular destination for adventure seekers with a hike through a steep mountainside offering views of the sea. The falls are located on Sitio Apis, Barangay Wawa, and are often stopped during the trips to the area. The fourth tourist spot is the Hanging Bridge of San Agustin in Occidental Mindoro. It's a metal suspension bridge in the municipality of Sablayan that serves a vital crossing over the Sablayan River, and it connects the area near to the public market to the Black Sand Beach and provides the scenic view of fishing fort. It is used by locals and visitors for walking and is sometimes referred to as a tourist spot. So maganda one is the Grace Island. It is situated in the islet near San Jose Occidental Mindoro, known for the quiet escape. Kung gusto nyo naman yung parang island na tahimik, you can go to the Grace Island. And kaya tinawag din na quiet escape because of the natural beauty and the resort that offer relaxation and water activities then. It means a peaceful and serene destination away for the commercialization, ideal for connecting with the nature and enjoying activities like swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing in floating cottage. Ambolong Island. Name comes from the local word bolong, which means medicine, leading into being known as the Island of Healing. Kaya Ambolong Island because tinatawag itong Island of Healing. It is a secluded island in Occidental Mindoro, known for its pristine natural beauty, quiet atmosphere, and the vibrant marine life, making it a destination for both peaceful retreats and medical tourism initiatives. The next tourist attraction is the Aroma Beach in Occidental Mindoro. Kaya tinawag siyang Aroma Beach because it's a location known for its historical significance, being the site of American militaries on the second landing noong December 1944. And for its economic importance to the local community through tourism, the name Aroma likely refers to the aromatic or a pleasant nature of the area, possibly linked to the lush coastal environment, and its revitalization is planned to enhance both tourism and cultural heritage. Called the Kalo, pero hindi pa talaga ito yung parang pinaka-specific known meaning or the name in relation to a river in the Occidental Mindoro. However, the name Abra de Olog in the province came from the Spanish word to open and Tagalog word for river, meaning river opening. It is possible that Kalong is a local name with a meaning specific to a smaller community or area. The last tourist attraction is the Parola. It's a Filipino word for lighthouse and Parola Park in Sablayan na maaaring puntahan din natin in Occidental Mindoro. It's a historical park named for the lighthouse and old cannon it features. Kung pupunta kayo doon, na maaaring nyo makita din ang old cannon. The park is sited on the hill where a watchtower and cannon were built in 1861 to defend against the pirates. And it's also known for the Precinct Park. The park itself is not a river, but a park with a historical significance and the scenic views, especially at sunset. So, this is the 9 tourist attraction in Occidental Mindoro na maaari niyong puntahan para makaranas din kayo ng relaxation at makawala din ng stress. We have also the famous food in Occidental Mindoro. First is the sinaing na isda. And the next one is the adobong pugita and ginataang puso ng saging. The toasted pastillas, mushroom chicharon, are their snacks in Occidental Mindoro na maaaring din yun yung maging pasalubong sa inyong pamilya. We have 3 festival in Occidental Mindoro. The first one is the Arawatan Festival. Means unity, cooperation, and helping each other, derived from a native Mangyan term. The festival celebrates the province's founding anniversary with a week-long series of events that bring people of the different backgrounds together to foster a sense of community, progress, and shared vision. The second one is the Saknongan. It's a Mangyan word that means bayanihan, or the spirit of the cooperation and unity. It represents a practice of people working together, especially during the agriculture activities like planting and harvesting rice. It is a major product in Occidental Mindoro, the term also the name of the annual festival in San Jose Occidental Mindoro, which celebrate this cultural heritage. The last festival in Occidental Mindoro is the called Dugoy Festival in Sablayan. Means a blood compact. It celebrates the camaraderie between the different culture groups in the area, particularly the Sablayanos and the indigenous Mangyan tribes. The festival name is derived from San Dugo, kumbaga, the Filipino word for the blood compact, or symbolizing the historical and the cultural blood between the town inhabitants and the original Mangyan inhabitants. It held during the town fiesta and the featured street dancing and the parade that showcased the Mangyan culture and the other ethnic groups that have settled in Sablayan. So, and that's all the Festival Occidental Mindoro.